In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the demographics by field function to enter student data efficiently, and also how to assign student data globally to groups of students. Here in the student data screen, you can record many details about your students, including their address, phone numbers, emails, notes and alerts, and any student codes that you've set up. You can enter this data for each student individually, but you can also use the demographics by field function for more efficient data entry. Let's go to Enrollment and enter demographics by field, and then I can select the data that we want to enter. You can choose from any of the fields in the student data screen. For example, I have a student's code set up for medical data. Then click OK. Next, I select the students, so I'm going to select by grade, and I'm going to choose the grade 10s, and then click OK. Then the screen now shows all the grade 10 students, and the medical data has been assigned. I can now quickly enter data for each student. The data is saved automatically. When I'm finished, just click Close. Here's another example showing how to quickly enter addresses. We go to Enrollment, enter demographics by field. We click Address, and then select the address type, and click OK. Then select the students, and again I'm going to choose by grade, and I'm going to choose the grade 10s, and click OK. Now the screen shows all the addresses for these students. I can quickly move up and down the list to enter new data or make corrections. At the bottom right-hand corner of the window are buttons to copy and paste rows of data. So we can click on the row we want to copy, then click the Copy button, then click on the row where we want to paste the data, and click the Paste button. We can also click on the buttons to make the data all uppercase or all lowercase. The data is saved automatically, so when finished, we just click Close. Here's one more example showing how to quickly enter student activities. Under Enrollment, go to Enter Demographics by Field, and I have a student code set up for activities, so I click OK. I make selections by, choose my grade level, click OK, and now I see the activities for all of these students, and I can quickly move up and down, adding and changing the activities to whatever I want them to be. We can also assign the same data to groups of students. We go to Enrollment, Assign Demographics Globally. In this example, I will assign all the grade 9 girls to Home Form 9A, and then I will assign all the grade 9 boys to Home Form 9B. First, I select the students. I will select by grade, choose the grade 9s, and click OK. Then select Gender, and choose Female, and click OK. Next, I select Home Form, click OK, and I choose the Home Form code that I want to assign, in this case 9A, and click OK. Before I assign the data, TESS can make a backup in case I want to undo these changes later. Once the backup is complete, I click Yes to confirm assigning the data. Now I'll go through the process of assigning the grade 9 boys to Home Form 9B. So I go to Enrollment, Assign Demographics Globally, choose the selections and choose Grade, Grade 9, OK, Gender, Male, OK, and click OK. Then I choose Home Form, and I choose Home Form 9b and click OK. Then I click Yes to assign this information. Now, if I go back to Enrollment and choose Enter Demographics by Field and choose Home Form and click OK, then make selections by and choose Grade and look at the grade 9s, you can now see that the grade 9 boys are assigned to Home Form 9b and the grade 9 girls are assigned to Home Form 9a. I can also click on Browse Students, which shows all the students. I can then go to Home Form, click on 9a, and see just the students in Home Form 9a. And then click Close when I'm finished.